Hi everyone, it's me at 10 after 12 Sunday. I finally got rid of my hiccups. It was too much acid in my stomach. Found out that by taking, what was it, Prilosec. I took that, and that actually helped with the hiccups. But then I woke up this morning sick, so I don't know if it's just too much acid in my stomach or what it was. But as far as I know, it got rid of my hiccups because it's been going on almost 8 hours.
Or maybe a little longer. Yeah.
But yeah, so far it seems to be working. I'm just sitting here. Got a little bit of a sore throat. But it's probably because I was throwing up a little bit earlier. But yeah, just sitting here doing nothing. Probably going to get something to eat.
I made you loaf meat.
Meatloaf?
Yeah.
Well, I might get that to eat. But yeah, I figured I'd share that with everybody. The dogs are curled up in balls. 2 little ones are wearing their sweaters curled up in balls because I guess they're cold. That one, he's just stupid. I don't think he even cares. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi?
Your Parky just said hi this morning.
What was that? Why'd you foof it? Did you? What'd you do? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ouch! Your nails are sharp. I'm gonna get you. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.